guys hear me? Hear me? Hello, can you guys hear me? Yeah or no? Hello and welcome to a new stream. Game dev stream. I'm here a lot later than I thought I would be, but let's get some game dev done. It's gonna be another short stream. Life happened and I'm streaming way later than I thought I would be. But it was a happy day. I cannot complain at all. So let's get started. I have someone in one of the platforms on stream that I need to ban. Okay, done. Finished. Finish him. Fatality. Okay. Let's head over to this. And let's get started. I have no plans whatsoever today, so I just started the stream without any plan at all. So last time what we did, you see all these comments, all these commits saying commit name. We're basically just formatting code with JavaScript formatter and checking it in. So we've done a bunch of stuff there. I mean, we've committed a bunch of code there, but it's mostly just formatting style changes. I also opened a bug that I saw against the JavaScript formatter repo. I haven't had a response yet, but it's there. And we'll see what happens. I hope it gets fixed because the formatter is screwing up some for loop block codes. Like the scope of the for loop is not being properly processed by the JavaScript formatter in a specific case, it seems, or a couple of specific cases. I don't know what's really happening in the parser logic that's making it go a little bit crazy. But anyway, we were able to fix and test pretty much all of the code that we've been formatting, and everything seems to work fine. So now I still need to organize a bunch of stuff here. Let's just take the project for a spin and see. Let me take a look at my to-do list real quick. I don't know. Nearby needs an update here. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at my to-do list and oh yeah, I was gonna do some stuff, offline stuff from for this stream, but I did not do it. Yeah, I'll take a look at that later. Actually, I think for today we're gonna be dealing with art for the most part. I bought a couple of icon packs that I've been wanting to look into, and I have not. So we're gonna be flashing a bunch of images on screen. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to work on today, but let's just get started. Let's just take a look at the code first, and then if we need to deal with the art, we'll deal with the art. Let me make this smaller. So right now I just want to focus on Godot, not the text down here. Okay, so one of the things that we did was the... Oh, my stream is still starting. I have not even changed the screen. Okay, now everything should look fine. One of the things that we did one of the few previous streams was adding the... I should test that the... achievements notification manager, if I remember. She's somewhere around here under Adlog, Singleton Manager, Singleton. Yeah, Achievements UI Manager. Yep. And this is for displaying the achievements on the screen. Especially for a pixel art game. We're using a sub viewport for... Oh no, this is not notification class. It should be updated, but I'm gonna keep it very simple for now. No, not this. This is the sub report container that we're using, and the center container. This needs to be centered for it to be rendering as I want it to be. And since we don't use in the game sub report container, we use a panel to add some back bars whenever you resize the screen. It doesn't show up here. What do we run the game? See these black bars that show up on the sides. This is done with the panel. Oh my god, Official Gambling Academy. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, I'm surprised that Official Gambling Academy it's following me, but hey, that's cool. So the black bars here are being basically created by a panel back here in the game sub viewport. So that's why the achievement sub viewport does not have a panel. This is the panel. If I hide this, wait, everything goes away. But I don't know if I can self-modulate it. Self-modulate here. I go white. Should show up. It's not changing. I don't know why. I don't get it. Oh, because I think it's actually done via some sort of styling that I'm doing also. I don't quite... Oh, here. Yep. See. We change the background color of the bars. I should be able to change the background color of the bars. Why is it not changing? Why is it not changing? Oh, because when I also... Oh, okay. So this was done to avoid a transparency thing with the styling. It had something weird on some corners. And I think I see something strange here in these corners too. It's a few pixels big, but it's bothering me. Actually, I'll take a look at this now. This is so strange. Let me just make it really big and then take a look at the corner. See? What is happening? Oh my god, don't tell me. Oh my god, I'll mess with this right now because this is actually bothering me and I don't know where it comes from. Alright, let me first make sure that the color is coming from this. Okay, let's go back to the self-modulate. Here. So I messed with this already. And we want this to be white, I think. Ah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. we're gonna do this change right now. I'm just gonna kill this. Go away. If we run it, should be fine, I think. And then we're going to take a look at the changes. There should be no changes to the scene. Okay, no, nothing. Good. So what I want to test is we have the notifications going on working, but the achievement manager was written. Achievement UI manager was written so that we can transition between scenes, and the achievements still show up. That's why it's under a singleton or an auto load. So let's give it a try. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open the achievements notification. We're gonna do a really simple test. I'm not even gonna write completely flesh out. We had a test here. The achievement unlock test. This test. Yep. And this specific test, we just unlock the stuff and we show the achievements on the bottom right corner. Yep. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna unlock the achievement and then just transition the scene and see how it looks. So here, I just want to press the space bar so that everything shows up, and then we're gonna call scene transition manager. I keep forgetting how to call this because it has some options that we can. I'm just gonna look for an example. We do this, then no, there's a way to grab this. Then we do scene transition manager. I just want an example. This one is fine. And then change scene to file. I'm just gonna do file. I'm gonna find the title screen menu. Yep. We're gonna copy. I have not tested this with the UID. This should work. This is basically the same as the file path. Not exactly the same, but come on, give me the UID. Why are you not giving me the UID? Can I have it? Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna press the space bar. Saw something strange right there. Hold on. Let me just let it. When I press the space bar, this should look smooth, not jump around like so strangely like that. See? This was fine. But when we load it, change the scene. What? You saw that, right? What the hell was that? No, there's something really off going on here. Oh, hold on. Let me do the out animation and then do fade out. That's awful. Why is it trying to change scenes twice? It's giving me an issue here. Let me just say hello. Although I should be able to see the text, the unlocked achievement text here. Unlocked achievements. Wait, where did I put this? No, this is not on the unlock achievement. Oh, it's because I'm looping. Oh my god, that's really wrong. Yeah. Now, when I do this, oh gosh, what is happening there? I know what's happening. So there's something really strange going on. But first thing is, wait. So I added this. This is added to all of this, right? But the title screen menu, hold on. Oh, so first things first. I'm running the wrong scene. Hold on, hold on. I need to run this scene, right? It still looks awful. It looks so bad. So it starts changing. So I think singleton manager. Hold on. Oh gosh. Hold on. So I have a lot of this code is being done programmatically. So I need to take a look at the actual. No. This is thread. Yeah, this is fine. For this mode, always. Yeah. I want this to always be processing. Because all the nodes down here are supposed to just keep working. Never stop working. But for some reason... Hold on. Let's do it slowly, perhaps? Okay, let's start stepping. Gosh, wait. Now. That's wrong. The game is stopped, right? You should not be able to click anything now. What is happening? So that's correct when it comes to the scene changing and the... But this is wrong. And the transition is also blacking out the... So there are two things wrong. The... What is happening there? I'm honestly stumped. Okay, let's start pulling up everything. Let me undo this change because I don't want Git status to keep reporting that change. Oh. What did it do for? Oh my god, what did it change? Let me just restart. Oh, that was probably me yeah, messing around with the file and the test. Oh gosh, I just undid the change of the test. That's right. Achievement unlock test. Yeah. Can I get no? That's fine. Let's go again. Scene transition. Nope. This scene transition. There we go. We just find something. This somewhere around here. Yes, it's fine. This is fine. Now we just put this here. No, actually no, that's not what I want. This is a more complicated setup. Scene transition manager. Actually no, it's the same thing. Scene transition options. We just clean all this. Then again, do the same thing here. Use the UID. Yeah, I know the game engine is complaining. I'll make it happy soon enough. We don't need this at all. Same. What's happening? Oh, because we need to change scene to file here. Okay. We press the space bar and then it goes weird. So what is happening at rendering time? Which is what's strange. Come on, I want to take a look at the scene when it's changing in real time. So we have this, right? And then when we push this, okay, let me make a singleton manager, not process always. Oh my god, that's gonna cause so many troubles. How do I debug this? There's so much code, interlaced code. Huh, already found all the work I need for this stream. That's such a strange bug. So the first thing is that when we... Let me take a look at scene transition manager, because this scene transition manager. Hey, Mike Phantom, thanks for the follow. This is such a strange bug. Oh my god. This is a really strange bug. What was I gonna do again? I lost my train of thought. I'm sleepy too, which does not help. And gosh, that's why this is another reason that I'm gonna cut this stream short. But let's keep going. At least let's do at least 1 hour. Still have like half an hour left, but let's see how far we get. All right, so we again, this is the bug. The achievements do not look how they should when we're transitioning. Oh yeah, what I was looking at was, so scene transition manager, that blackout screen that I use is eating up the layer, the achievements when they show up on the screen. Oh, that could be what's happened actually. So there's a layer, I don't know if it's here or, oh yeah, canvas layer, and then we use, this is such a deprecated function. Should remove this. Hold on, actually I can just do this here. Let me just comment this. So the canvas layer number is what decides what gets run where. And if we, I think I did, hold on, for achievements UI, I think I did 120. Let me just do 120, 1020. It should be fine. Now when I do this, oh yeah, the achievements keep being shown up, but the shader is crapping out, and I don't know. I don't know what's happening. The shader is crapping out so bad. So anyway, this fixes the achievements being eaten up by the transition itself, the fade out, but not, yeah, but that effect should not be happening. If we run the code again, let me just wrap my head around this. If we run the code again without switching scenes, the effect looks fine, looks beautiful, everything looks fine, but with this transition it goes to shit. It just doesn't work. Why? Hold on. Okay, so let's take a look at the documentations. Let's do scene tree. When we change underneath, hold on, underneath scene transition manager is actually just using change scene transition manager. It's just using change scene tree. It's actually using the scene tree for I think change. What am I using directly? I think I'm using a child. That's what I see here. No, this is for the. Let me do change scene to null. This is where the actual work is being done for changing the scene. Internal change scene to null. I think it's this one. Add child set current scene. Oh, okay. So I am not using the scene tree change scene. I'm doing it manually. This is basically what it does because I wanted to have control over when the new scene is ready, which you cannot know when just using the scene tree. And that was for something, I don't remember, but this is for this signal, scene changed, which is happening here. And I needed this for keeping track of something. I don't remember what it was, but I'll take a look at it later. This is unrelated to the shader not working properly. But hold on. We can actually take a look at this in the debugger. Let me just make sure that this is to the visual profiler. See what's happening. I'll start, and then we're gonna run. Slap this, make it go crazy, go away. That's fine. Then we take a look at the debugger, the visual profiler. So this spike. Wait, can I? Is this broken too? Oh no. Oh no. Can I make this go bigger? What is the? I think this is. Oh gosh, I think this profiler is not working properly. Maybe. This looks weird. I don't know. Like I can't see where the. Oh gosh. Do we have anything? I did not use the profiler, did I? No, okay, let me just... Actually, the profiler, look at the profiler is not a bad idea either. That can give us another... Okay, let's just click here, auto start the profiler, and then see what happens when we run. It's so strange that it's scrapping out there. And just let finish. Okay, let's go back. What the hell is this spike? Oh wait, no, this is another spike unrelated to 35 milliseconds. Yeah, this should be another. Oh, I think this is the bug that I stumbled upon a few days ago. There's an engine bug when tracking the call stack. It seems there's a hanging pointer, and I don't think Godot is probably tracking. The profiler is probably tracking this, and we can track this in some other way, but I don't want to do that right now because it involves C++ and dealing with the engine. So much more deeper details that I don't want to deal with right now. Okay, so let's try to work on this in a smarter way somehow. Let's go back. Tiny mode. So what's happening here? I have absolutely no idea. I was gonna take a look at the scene tree documentation, so let's take a look at that. Let's do change scene to file, which is basically what I do but manually. Let's do actually shader. gonna give me circular shaders? Nothing. I have absolutely no idea what's happening. Oh, and I did this because I also wanted to make sure that I can call some um, functions when transition into another scenes. Yeah, that's another reason for doing this manually, which is fine. But there's no note of the shaders here. Actually, let me look at the documentation. Be digging into the documentation on the screen, so you won't be able to see this on screen right now on the stream. Why do shaders say jitter when switching scenes in Godot 4.5? But there's no shader compilation on this, and there's because of the Uber shaders. I mean, I don't think those apply to me actually, but that doesn't make any sense. Gosh. Because this is not even jitter. It's like the shader is crapping out. Actually, let's do this. I want to try something. What if I delay? What if I delay the transition? Hold on. Let's make it really, really slow. That's what happens. I think. Hold on. Yeah, I can change. I did this because I wanted to be able to do this. Oh my god, I'm so glad I did this a long time ago. So we want to change the out animation length. Let's just go crazy. Let's just do 10 seconds. The in animation length. 10. Oh, it's wrong. Here. Yeah. No. Let's see what happens. Wow. This is frozen while we are switching scenes. Why? Hold on. What am I? Oh my god. This is great. This is great. This is perfect. I can just go crazy here. It's just to actually, like, I don't know, something stupid, huge. Because now I can let it run and mess around with the scene. So this is happening. Actually, I can just do this. This is far better because I can mess around with it with the actual properties while it's running. If I do this, if I do this, if I do this, if I do this. Hold on. If I go here, this is achievements UI, right? Oh, don't tell me that this is overriding the. Oh my god, hold on. Let's do this. Oh, this is fun. Let me just set everything to always process and do process. Yeah, always. Always. Don't tell me I screwed up here. Oh my god, are you serious? Is that it? I think that's it. Oh my gosh. Achievements. Notifications of your board. So this. No, this is not possible. I don't care about this. This is old code from the. And then. Just be inherit. I think this can be inherit too. Because everything is under singleton manager. Process mode. Yeah, inherit. This should be fine. No, I don't want to run that. I want to run the actual test. This is still crapping out. Why? Let's take a look. Oh, this is still possible. Wait, what? Why? Always. Why are you possible? Let's go back to the viewport. So, wait, so there's another property. No, process. Wait, what? Wait, am I actually... Oh, shit. Am I doing it here? Oh, no. Oh, no, we don't want this. I don't want this either. This is so this is a copy paste from the game's viewport, so there are some options here that actually apply to the game, but not the... Let's see something I need to look at. I forgot to look into this. I'm glad I stumbled upon this again. So now we do this. Perfect. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So wait, it just works now. Wow, would have thought that strange error, that strange blip would be from having the viewport be possible. So when you add all the nodes, the shader is not processed. But as soon as the scene tree resumes, the shader starts processing. Oh my god, I've never seen this before. This is so good to know. I'm so glad I stumbled upon this tonight, and I'm so glad I was able to fix it within an hour. Because I'm so tired. I'm happy, but I'm tired, and I want to keep this stream short. And I'm surprised I had so many follows in such a short time. I'm really glad people are enjoying this stream. I'm dying. Okay, so let's just actually fix this. Let's see it in action, because I want this to look good in the game. So we're doing something. Blah, blah, blah. We get some achievements, and then boom. Beautiful. It works. Go away. Oh my god. Gorgeous. So sexy. Yes, let's do this. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay, let's go ahead. Add everything. Actually, and not the actual test, because I don't want to do that. Oh. Yeah, the layer. Let me think about the layer. What did I do? I used another layer. There's another set layer call that I use set layer. I used 1023 specifically. 1023. I think this is fine. I think I'm just gonna lock it in. I'm gonna do the same thing, the same comment. I'm gonna add the same comment everywhere too. Because if we don't add this layer, it looks so strange in the game. I mean, Godot. The rendering looks so strange if we don't actually set this number. Okay, so I just screw up my copy paste. Okay, here. And I think, where else am I using this function? Here. And here. I should actually set all of this up to be... Yeah, this is a bug across the game. let's do this. Let me just add this, fix this here, and keep the commit separate because I want to do the change separately. So I did a 1020, 1023. Let me just do it like this. Then we like do this. Say fix notification. I mean like this. This should be fine of us. Fix notifications. Achievement notifications. I'm falling asleep. I'm so tired. My brain is like asking for my bed already, or my bed is calling me. Everything's happening at once in my head. Fix achievements notifications when transition out. Let's make it more clear. Do not pause. Make the notifications process even when the tree is paused to avoid how do I yeah, I'm just gonna keep it simple. Do not pause the oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, I'm falling asleep. That's what's happening. Just do not pause the achievements notifications. At any point. Yeah, this is fine. Oh yeah. It should look fine. Yep. That's beautiful. And I need to take another look at the games of viewboard because I feel like some of these flags are weird. Like everything should be inherent there. And maybe I messed around with it at some point and I forgot to fix it. Okay, this. You can undo this change. And let's go back to the set layer and then let's fix this. Yeah, this is also broken. Key bindings. Let me just set layer. We're using this function too. Well, for the key bindings, I don't care. So this is fine. I think I'm just gonna ignore this. But this, oh my god, the gameplay UI, no. Is this with 1023? The bootstrap overlay, I also want it to be 1023. I don't want it to be too weird if I do an embedded window. 1023. Is there anything else? Here, the performance monitor UI. Set layer. That can stay there. I actually wanted to show above the. So let's take another pick again. So we changed the game UI and the HTML bootstrap overlay. That's okay. That can be 2032. Actually, no. For the bootstrap overlay, I want it to be above even the embedded windows. So no, this is wrong. Hold on, let me take a look at the canvas layer definition real quick. Because I'm falling asleep and my brain is farting all the time right now. Embedded windows are placed on layer canvas sites appear in front of embedded windows. I want the gameplay UI to be in front of the embedded windows. No, really? Do I want that? Actually, no. No, 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 no. I don't want that. Hold on, let me take a look at the game UI real quick. So I think that should be the HUD. Oh, gameplay UI game. What is in here? I forget. UI. This is just. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So yes, yeah, yeah. I know what this is. So the games viewport. Actually, it has a new. Oh, because I usually say no, no, no. When I on the levels, I use the UI node. Yeah, and I want this. Yeah, yeah. This is like a part of the base. This is like a sort of component-based system that I'm using, kind of, but it's actually node-based for building the UI of the game itself. So when we load levels, we just load this and then we inject whatever we need under this game's viewport. And then we always have the HUD, the dialog UI, the all-in-one pause menu, the game over menu, everything. All this is loaded. So this is fine. And then I still have 8 minutes left. Actually, I think I'm gonna stream a little bit more because I wanna figure out what the other strange so this gameplay UI again, do I want it to show above the yeah, I think I want it to show above the embedded windows. So that layer that I used there is fine. I'm gonna leave it as is. I don't need to change anything yet. Then the change that we did was just a fix for the yep. Oh, and I wanted to take a look at the game. Yeah, the games will be flags. I'll do that now. Let's just push this change. Go back to the games for viewport and then here the process. So this is inherit. This is oh, so this is fixed. I also did something by code, did I? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I did this in code because I don't want this to be forgotten at all. If someone messes with the scene, everything still being said by code. That's okay. Yeah, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, let's just clean up everything. I don't need any of this anymore. And then, let's take a look at the tiny. This should be a simple. I hope this is simple enough. About this thing that's happening here. I'm making this big. This corner right here. It's driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. So here, I suppose one of the nodes. Is it this one? No. I mean that takes everything. I'm guessing somewhere in the title menu. It's not this. Not this. I'm guessing it's the panel, isn't it? It's this panel. I'm pretty sure that is because that's why I use the styling. Oh gosh, I don't hate it. It looks these turning corners, they look good, but use the panel to sort of add a background to it, and I want to make sure that I understand what is happening here. This I should wait. Why am I using a panel here? When I have another panel on the back. Oh, this is a viewport. This is the black bars, and this is the. What is this? It should be this grayish thing, right? Hold on, I want to mess around with this. Why can I not make? Oh, because I need to open this. No, I need to open the actual title screen menu. I know. I'm messing around with you. So hold on. Wait, why can I not? Why can I not mess around with this? Let me save this. Although I'll probably undo this change. Oh, because I need to click here. Do I? What? What is happening? Oh, so I need to create a new This is, oh gosh, what is this? Skybox flat, right? Skybox flat. And then mess around with it. I see no change. What about the self-modulate? The modulation. Did I mess around with this? I don't think so. I can type. No. Also, I can see what this changes. I should be able to see what this changes. Oh, there we go. So that's what it changes. I mean, no, that's not what I wanted to check. See this. Changing, like I don't see it. Oh, aha. Yes, it's this thing. So this confirms this is the panel, and then why border color. What am I wrong with this? Does this not work with the wait? Did I just see it change? Like hue or something. Let's do style. This is what I did. Style looks flat, yeah. What is creating this tiny corner? This is driving me crazy. Border, corner radius, corner detail. Is it this? Just go crazy. Funny. Margins, no. Go crazy with this. No, nothing. None of this actually seems to work. I don't see anything. Let me run the scene again. See if there's something. What the hell has just happened? Oh my god. My eyes. What the hell? Look at how screwed up this is. Okay, let's undo the change. Something really bad just happened. I don't know what. I don't want to even take a look at it. Reload from this. Actually, let me just quit. Sometimes Godot goes a bit crazy. And I'm using an unstable version, so maybe I just touched something Godot does not like. Okay, let's do this again. Maybe just take a look at the editor. See this corner? It's just driving me crazy. Oh my god. Yeah. I know. That looks flat. Oh, there we go. And the corner is gone, right? Yeah. That was so much easier by just... Oh, really? Yep. It's just this. I'll keep that in mind. Actually, let me keep the change. Then I can just do like a diff and take a look at it. Yeah. It's right there. Alright, I'm surprised I got 2 things fixed in an hour. Because sometimes it takes me 4.5 hours to get 1 bug fixed. Like the last few streams of that device type manager logic error. But that's okay. That's the nature of this job. You just need to keep pushing through until the game is done. That's what we're starting. That's what we're doing here. All right. I'm tired. Anyway. That's it for this stream. I will be streaming again tomorrow. Again, my schedule's super iffy lately, super crazy, but I'm sure I'll stream again tomorrow. At what point? Anyway, thanks everyone for being here. I really appreciate you watching my stream or the videos afterwards. And that's it for today. Let's roll the credits. Stream participants. Triple. Wait, what? Oh no, that was a bot. Screw you, Triple Barrage on Ungsb. No, thank you for being part of the stream. No, screw that. We're rolling to stream ending. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. All right. This is it, guys. Thanks for being here. See you next time.